Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm back with another video. So if you guys want to see the review and unboxing of this short headband wig, just stick around for the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been 2 weeks, but I'm still here. I'm just a little bit busy. Welcome back to my channel, and all of the new subscribers, welcome. Thank you so much for your support. So in today's video is gonna be very short. I'm gonna be reviewing a 10-inch straight headband wig. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So this is a hair that I'm going to be reviewing today. So it's basically a bob 10-inch headband wig. And I bought it from Amazon. So I got two headbands along with the wig. And also I got a wig cap, a weaving cap. So that's basically it for what I received. So here it is, very soft and nice and good for on the go. So I'm just gonna be adding my own moisturizer, my own mixture to it, just to moisturize it a bit. So when I first open it, take it from the packaging, it was shedding a little bit when I started to comb it, but it wasn't a lot though, just a little bit of hair falling from it, but it's not shedding much. I forgot to show you guys. So this is what the back of it looks like. It comes with two adjustable straps, so you can just adjust it to your head size. Show you the inside. So there are some pins. You have two pins at the side, one at the top and one at the back. Quick and easy. Alright, so I'm gonna be wearing this headband. I think I like this one for this hair. Yes, so It's pretty easy to style, very easy to, you know, put on the go. So very easy to style, as you can see, because it's very short. And this here is also good for the summer, because you know it's summer now and it's going to be very hot. So, you know, for me, I don't want anything too long and too, you know, so this would be perfect. So I'm gonna add some mousse. There you have it, guys. Thank you guys so much again for watching another video of mine. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave a comment, share the link with a friend. It costs nothing to show support, so please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.